Hello everyone. In this question, we have to find out the total number of free electrons in the 10 gram of water and what is the quantity of the charge, that is the negative charge, in the 10 gram of water. So we know that in the water H2O, the number of hydrogen atoms are 2, so that the number of electrons in this is equal to 2, and the how many oxygen atom in this is 1, so that the number of electrons in the oxygen atom, it is equal to 8, so the number of electrons, it is equal to 10 here. Now we know the formula, that is the 1 gram in the 1 gram substance, what is the total number of molecule? It is equal to the Avogadro number upon the atomic weight of the substance. So here this is the formula for number of molecules in the 1 gram of water, 1 gram of substance. So here the total amount of water is 10 gram, so I can multiply here 10, and the total number of electrons are here, that is 10, so I can again multiply by 10. So what I will found here, the Avogadro number here is 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23 upon the atomic weight of the water is 18 into 10 into 10. So this value will approximately comes out 3.34 into 10 raised to the power 24 approximately. So this represents the number of free electrons. Now in order to calculate the total number of charges shown by the 10 gram of water, possessed by the 10 gram of water, so for this I use here the formula, that is Q is equal to Ne. I want to calculate the total number of charge, total value of charge. It is equal to the number of free electrons I have calculated earlier, that is 3.34 into 10 raised to the power 24 into the charge on one electron is 1.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 19 coulomb. So you can also put here for the negative charges, that is you can put the minus sign here, but I want to calculate here the magnitude of the negative charge shown by the free electrons of 10 gram of water. This value approximately comes out 5.35 into 10 raised to the power 5 coulomb. So this is the basic numerical on the basis of the properties of charges. Now let's see the second question here. There are two spheres, a sphere M and a sphere N. On the sphere M there is a charge Qm, and on the sphere N there is a charge Qn. There is another sphere named as P having the net charge 0. It means it is the neutral sphere. When I make contact with the M to P, then as per the question, a third identical neutral sphere is brought in contact with M, then separated. Then after separation, with the contact of P to M, the charge remains on the P sphere is equal to Qm by 2. How? Because of I know that is initially on the M sphere the charge is Qm and the charge on P sphere is 0. So what will be the charge after making the contact? It is Qm plus 0 upon 2. So the value left, what is the value? Qm by 2. Now as per the second situation here, now P sphere is brought in contact with the N sphere. Now this P sphere have the charge that is Qm by 2. Now it is brought near the N here and make it contact, then what will happen? The charge on the final charge on the P sphere, it is equal to Qm upon 2, that is initially what was the charge on the P sphere plus the charge on the N sphere, that is Qn upon 2. It is equal to, I can write here, that is Qm plus 2Qn upon 4. This is the final charge shown by the P sphere. Thank you so much.